All right, guys, good to be back today. We're going to do a special episode, PDR tips number 2, how to accelerate your hail repairs. And today we're going to be focusing on hoods, hood stands, lighting, tools, access points. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. And all the tools we talk about today are going to be in the description. There's going to be a link for all the tool manufacturers, where to buy them, where I purchase them from, and just click on the link. It'll take you directly straight to that website, and you can purchase those tools or whatever tools you want from those guys. So the most important thing is getting a hood stand. This one's from PDR Finesse Tool. Do not fix a hood on the vehicle if you have a hood stand. It's more efficient, cleaner repairs to do it on a hood stand. This hood stand I got from PDR Finesse on the tool van in 2016. I like it. It's stainless steel and aluminum mixed together. It's sturdy, has wheels so you can roll it around, spin it in circles. Good thing about taking the hood off is you can put the ratchet straps on there and get access points around the hinges. Where the hinge bolts to the hood, you can get tools in there where you cannot get tools in while it's mounted on the vehicle. Get you 4 nice 1/4-inch ratchet straps. I would recommend that. And get you a hood stand that has wheels. Huge. It's beneficial to have wheels on your hood stand. If you don't have a hood stand, you can always make one out of 2x4s. It'll be stationary, or you can put wheels on it. They're great as well. Great thing about taking hoods off, you can take the back of the washer nozzles off if they're mounted on your hoods, and you can use that for another access point. And this one has 2. It's great for getting those dents in the back of hoods. As you can see, the hood hinges would mount here, and usually there's a little slot right there where my finger's pointing, and you can get other access points to get in the back edges of hoods, like right there, for example. Little tiny slot. You wouldn't be able to get that if the hood was on the vehicle. It's very important. Take your hood off the car. It makes you faster with cleaner repairs. And what I always do when I'm starting hoods or starting to repair the hood, I always have the hood as close to those lights as possible, and I have my lights as low as possible to the hood, which allows me to see the bottom of the dent. And as I'm finishing off those dents, I'll roll that hood stand further and further away from the lights, which allows me to get lower to the panel and see every slight, faint low spot. And when you do that, you're going to have excellent repairs. Much better than you can ever possibly have while that hood is mounted on the vehicle. I'm telling you, it's that important to repair the hoods on a hood stand. Greatest investment you're going to make as a hail tech. Here's the light I use to start off those deep dents. It's a Stucky mini light. You can get it at StuckyTools.com. I always use this when I'm starting off deeper dents. Always. Just makes it easier to see the bottom of the dent. That's all I got to say about that. Get you a Stucky light, get you a limited light, whatever mini light works best for you. I like this one because of the fade. That's why I use it. I have 3 of them. I've been using them for 4 years. They're great. So the tools I use for accessing dents underneath the braces or double panel areas is well tails. I use all the way from 1/2 inch all the way up to 1 3/4 inch, I believe, which is what this is from Dent Craft Tools. And I have A1 Tools well tails. This one right here it's just great. It gives you a ton of torque working in tight, compact areas. And this one right here is just a little bit longer, narrower head as well. And I like it because it allows me to get into the deeper into braces in the back of edges of hoods, which is great for that. I always grab the shortest tool I can to get the most precision and torque possible. So for doing wide open areas underneath hoods, I'll use this tool here. I don't even know what it's called, but PDR Finesse sells it. I'll put it on the hood just like this, right at the edge of the hood, not all the way up, because if you do, then you're going to scratch the edge of that hood. So put it right at the edge, just like that. And the tools I typically use are always PDR Finesse Circus rods. And I almost always go with this one for hoods just because it's long enough to reach all the open access areas I want, gives me plenty of leverage to push dents without overworking my shoulders or arms, and less effort, which means more durability, more work. Great tool. Okay guys, so as you're finishing off the hood, you can see how far away that hood is from those lights. I always put it as far as I can to finish off every micro low, because when you're at some shops, they're super picky and you want it to be perfect for that customer, and that's what you're always aiming for. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you liked it, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumb down. Comments, let me know what you thought. As always, have a great day, and thanks for watching. Last but not least, don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great.